So welcome back everyone, Mike here, and welcome to a beautiful morning here in Pennsylvania. Nice fall temperatures here this morning, nice and cool, clear skies. Great day to be down here at the sawmill. I have a beautiful red oak log that I'm sawing right now. Let me show you what I got. So this is a real nice red oak log. This one was about 22 inches in diameter at the small end. Right now I got a nice cant about 13 inches wide. So far I've got 4 real nice pieces of 4/4 off of this and a couple over there. I think I may saw those into stickers. I think that's what I'm going to do with those ones over there. But this log right here, I'll get a lot of nice lumber out of this. Now unfortunately I have to take a little break on this log and head up to the house because Melissa and I, we're going on a little field trip, and then once we get back I'll finish sawing up this beauty. Alright, I said earlier that Melissa and I had to go on a little field trip. We had to run down to Wheeling, West Virginia. It's about an hour and a half from home. But while we were down here, we stopped at a place called Bridgeport Supply. And I highly recommend Bridgeport Supply. Check it out. It's got, matter of fact, I'll put a link to their website in the description, and you will get an idea of what kind of place Bridgeport Supply is. It's pretty cool, it really is. But next up, we're going to swing over by Cabela's and maybe get some lunch and then head home after that. All right, we're just getting back to the house. We were gone for, I don't know, probably 4 hours. Yeah. But we had a nice trip to Wheeling, got some things taken care of, picked up a few things we were after. Yeah. And I'm going to go in the house, see what's going on there, and then I'm going to go down and finish sawing up that nice red oak log.
Okay, I'll meet you there.
All right, we're back down here at the sawmill. So far I've got 4 nice pieces here that are 13 inches wide, and then I've got 3 of these right here. I'm actually going to saw these though into stickers when I'm done. So I'm going to take this one more slab off the top of this, and we'll probably get about 6, at least 5 or 6 more 13 inches wide before I flip it. Yeah, probably 5 or 6 more. All right, here comes the muscle.
You mean brain. Right.
All right, so all the heavy stuff's done, pretty much.
Oh.
We got, I'll take that slab off right there, then we'll throw some,
okay.
We'll get some more 13 inches off of there, probably 5 or 6, and we'll flip it. Another nice day though, isn't it?
Beautiful. The temperatures are right. No humidity.
Love it. And it looks like it's supposed to be this way for the next couple weeks.
Great.
I would say the real hot stuff is over with. Done.
Weatherman Mike.
Yeah. Okay, shut her down. Yep. What do you think of that?
I love it.
You did good.
I just, I need to, it's like practicing
Yeah.
dance steps or something, you know?
Yeah, that's one thing with a power feed mill. You know, you got to think a little bit more than if it was just manual feed, because if it was just manual feed, you stop pushing, it's going to quit. You know what I mean?
Right.
But you did good. Once you get to the end, you know what I mean? Shut the feed
the
off.
height adjustment, blade, motion. And then when you get to the end, I think at the end is probably where I envision myself running off the end.
Yeah, it feels like it's going to just shoot right
What's
off the
gonna
end of the
happen
rail.
if I don't get this right? Yeah.
No, you did good.
Thanks.
Let's take a look at what we got here. Go ahead.
Wow, these are beautiful.
Yeah. All right, so that's a pretty nice jag of lumber right there.
Oh, yeah.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 that are right about 13. These ones are at 6.5.
9.
And 9 of those as well. That's pretty good out of that one log. And plus, like I said, these ones here, I'm going to cut stickers out of them, but there's some nice clear wood in those ones. Maybe I'll just, we'll see what it's like when I get in it, but nice.
What are these from?
That,
Oh, it's coming off.
yeah, that black right there is staining from the rails of the sawmill.
Okay.
It doesn't go very deep. You know, you'll see that on occasion.
Yeah.
You can get like stainless steel
Oh, okay.
pieces that go on top of it. It won't do that. But yeah, that's a nice red oak. Really nice.
Beautiful. Look at that.
Would you look at that? All right, well, I think that's it for today's video. Would you like to wrap this video up for us, Melissa?
Yeah, I got to get moving on some kitchen. Got to get in the kitchen, make some dinner. Or maybe Mike will take care of dinner tonight.
I will.
All right. Hey, thanks so much for being here. Comment down below. We love to hear from you. Be sure you're subscribed, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.
Oh, before you take off, people have been asking how the bikes have been holding up.
Hey, Eva and her friends use these all the time, and they're holding up great.
Tell them what you did to Archie a little bit ago.
We love them. Hey, yeah, so took Arch out on the trails, and I ran them pretty hard. I rode the bike. Got this thing up to 13 miles an hour. He was right by my side.
He's just got so much energy, and she'll take him for 2 walks a day. So today she went out,
Like,
ripped through the woods on the bike. He chased her out back and is like, is that all you got, lady? You know what I mean?
he came back and got a good drink of water and was like, okay,
Yeah.
I'll take a rest. So
All right, let's see some acceleration here.
remember the vroom, vroom back in the day when we had Huffies and we could put that
Oh yeah.
thing on our handlebar? I had one. My brother had one. I loved it. Wish I had it. Ready?